welcome back to Let's Make. Today we're gonna be making a s'more campfire style. You can see the fire right there. And sorry about the holdup, you know, COVID-19 and everything. So, okay, let me show you the ingredients. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. So, of course, you're gonna need a Girl Scout cookie s'mores, a Hershey's bar. You can use any chocolate, but I prefer Hershey's. Marshmallows, of course, any size, as long as they're not mini. Graham crackers, I prefer Honey Made, but you can do whatever you want, like any graham cracker. So, the Hershey, so you're gonna open it like a regular graham cracker cookie. You're gonna put a Hershey's there and a Girl Scout cookie s'more there. And now, let's cook the marshmallow. Shing! Okay. You gotta get them ready. Okay, so I started cooking the marshmallow. You can see that side's fine and that side's great. So, cooking it a little longer. Boop. That's actually so perfect. Now, put it here and I take it out. And then, let's try it. Oof, this is gigantic.
Oh, I have to have myself a bite of that.
It's great. You want to try, Drew?
Yes, I will.
Hey, cameraman, do you want to try?
I'm good, thanks, though.
Okay.
That's pretty good, dog.
It's so funny.
You're weird.
Pretty good, dog.
No wonder why you like it. It's so good. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I know I'm saying it the second time, but and bye bye. And I hope you try this.